Hello everyone, today I am unboxing Helping Hands soldering station with magnifying glass. I bought it from Daraz.pk for 885 rupees including shipping. First of all, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates. I will give links to this product in description, and if you have any question then do post a comment. Let's open the box. This is the first time I am seeing this good packaging from Daraz.pk. Everything on box is written in Chinese except third hand tool with magnifying glass. Let's open the box. There is magnifying glass which is little bit broken from the edge. There is soldering iron holder. And the stand with helping hands itself. Everything is fully adjustable through screws. Let's attach magnifying glass with stand. Previously I was using this old soldering stand which was not very useful. The empty space at the base of the stand can be used for soldering sponge. And alligator clips can be used to hold circuit board in place.